I'm over here with the ducks.
Nobody followed me at all. Like, whatever, dude. Do whatever you gotta do, pal. Morning, Betty. Jimmy, Randall. Yes. Huge. Woo. Man, you're the loudest. G. Hey, everybody. Give me this. I gotta go spread it for everybody else. Look out, guys. Morning, Slate. Morning, buddy. Morning, Juarez. Hi, Dot. Hi, Rose. Oh, look, Phyllis is out, too. Morning, Phyllis. Brock. What are you doing behind me? Cut that out. Weirdos. Morning, Peanut. Here you go, buddy. I'm going to put this scoop. I'm going to put this over by Roy's tree here. We'll put it right here. Okay, everybody can enjoy it. Enjoy it with Roy's tree, huh? Yeah. Oh. Well, I was trying to get a moment there, Slate, but... All right. Oh. Morning! Look out, chickens, I gotta get through here. Morning, Darkwing! I'm gonna put a scoop right there. Come on, Duck. Leave that duck alone. Mike, come on. Jeez. Oh, look out, guys. Morning, Gina. Good morning, Phyllis. Good morning, Betty. Everybody's just hanging out at the bucket, I think. Let's see if I can carry the bucket over here. Just moving the bucket. Just walking over here, guys. All right. Let's go. Whew, Peanut. Guys, just walking over here, boys. Hey, get out of my bucket. Here. That's a good one for Jolie. Good job, Jolie. Oh. Hey, Darkwing. Let's go. Oh. Hey, Betty. Oh, here you go. Hi, Pablo. If you don't mind, I'm going to try to hold the bucket, Betty. See how talented I can be holding the bucket and the camera. Darkwing, where you going, man? I'm coming to you, pal. Let me get a little bit more to these guys. Oh, Steve. Steve. Hold on. My liege. Pablo. God. Here. Sorry, Steve. Excuse me, Pablo. Excuse me, Pablo. Pablo, come on. Come on, man. I'm sorry, Steve. You gotta talk to your servants. Like, jeez. Not mine. Yours, pal. Pablo. Hey, get out of my bucket. Hey. I pet the Pablo. All right, here. There's a nice pile for you. Don't pet Karen. Sharon, you want some? Sharon? This is Pablo. Pablo's ridiculous. Turkeys, you're getting berries, don't worry. There you go, pal. Let me go. See if I can get another one. Hey, Sebastian, in the pool, man, in the pool. Get it, man, get it. Get it. You get it. Gina. That dog's gonna get it. All right. Gina. Gina. It's crazy. It's crazy, honey. Come on. Jeez. All right, ducks. Ducks, look, I dropped a whole bunch over here. Come on, guys. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell nobody. Get it, Coco. Oh, look out. Here comes a goose. Jolie, while everybody's distracted with that. Here you go. Come here, Betty. Come on. Here. Good chickens, look. Look, everybody. What's in there? What is that? Ow! Randall! You're supposed to peck the plastic! Not my thumb, man! Jeez! Here. Here, turkeys go crazy. Go crazy, you guys. Boom, 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 boom. Jimmy, get in there. Alright. Woo. You guys. Let's see if we can go crazy with Slate, too. See what they're doing, Slate? Slate, see what they're doing? Slate, you just can't look for one, man. You gotta go and get it. You understand what I'm saying? Jeez. Scarlet, why are you chasing Peanut? Get your feathers going, jeez. Here, have an extra berry. Grow some feathers. No, this is all. I'm throwing this for G Unit. Boys, no, boys, stop. I'm throwing this for G unit. Oh, I dropped one. Boys, Brent, come on, guys. What you doing? Betty, what are you doing? Oh, Jimmy, what did he do? He didn't eat more than he got more berries than you? Is that what happened? Jimmy, he didn't get more berries than you. You ate, he was, Jimmy. Come on, Jimmy. Hey, come on. Stop. Stop egging it on. Stop. Stop. No, it's not okay to fight. No. Stop it, Greta. You're welcome, Greta. Jeez. Where are they at? Oh. Slate, talk to him. Guys, what's going on? Missed it, Brock. Oh, man, Randall. Come on. I know. Okay, Jim. You might have a point, buddy. I'm not. Gosh, Randall, come on. Talk to him, Jim. That's enough. That's enough berries, right? You've had enough. All right. He's got the point, Jimmy. He's got the point. Here, have a berry. Scarlet, have a berry. Randall, for real, man. Come on, guys. Let me feed the old man here. Slate, go get that one. Oh, there's no way. What was I thinking? I'm sorry, dude. That was just, yeah, it was folly. Here. I thought your back was turned. Nice job, Gina. Greta, get that one. Did you get it? Oh, that chicken. Oh, man, Slate, that was solid, dude. Ow. Oh, man. I can't even. All right, let me go get the chickens their treat. No, I'm all done, guys. I'm all the berries. I'm all out, buddy. I'm all out, guys. Guys, I'm all out. I'll go get. Hold on, I'll be back. Hold on. There you go. There you go. All right. So I like bringing the chickens out. Leftovers, you know, like if I ever like leftovers in the fridge, after a few days, chickens. And I'm not saying I might cook a little extra maybe for the chickens. That might happen, you know. But, hey buddy. But It is what it is, right? I mean, I think that these guys should be able to eat too. All right? Right? Maybe a little extra goodies. What were you? Oh, I wish I had that, man. That little mud dance. Show me the mud dance again. Show it to me, Flynn. I love his mud dance. Hold on. Yeah, this is why my pools get dirty. It's muddy my pools. Steve, what are you teaching these kids? All right, let's go. Let's give these chickens a treat here. Where's Hey Peanut, where's your dad? Where's your dad at, man? Well, you know what? Here. So we got some lettuce. I got barbecue spare ribs from a Chinese restaurant. I know, which is just, hold on. Come on. I got the barbecue spare ribs from a Chinese restaurant, which you just shouldn't. I don't know. They probably shouldn't make barbecue spare ribs at a Chinese restaurant. Like, I'm sure they don't have those in China. But normally they're all right. These were meh. And so I mixed in some, some of the berries, the lettuce, the rice. Randall's just picking through, finding berries. Oh, hey, man. Check it out. Yeah, let me, let's get you in the sun, bud. Let's get Juarez to shine, huh? Healing up good, buddy. Healing up good. Somebody got you good, man. Whew. Oh my gosh, that woman. Phyllis, come here. You heard me. Hey, look. What is it, Phyllis? Oh, good job. Thanks for using that. I appreciate it. Hey, Slate. What's up, bud? Have you had enough to eat, Randall? Why you gotta eat all the lettuce out of it? Hey, Jim. Go ahead, Slate. Yeah, buddy. Oh, there you go. There you go. Good job, pal. Nice, buddy. Normally I'd take it away from you turkeys there, Slate, but I like that you're eating it, so it makes me happy. Hello, Betty. All right. Let me see this. What we got in here? We got anybody good? We got some chickens in here? Chickens? Ducks? Look at. Yeah, I'm gonna dump some right here. There. Enjoy that, girls. I'm gonna put the rest of this pan right here. Yep. You guys enjoy that? Juarez, how we doing out here, man? What do you guys, just like a, huh. Everybody looking in every direction. Yeah, right, buddy?